Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered. I'm back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary. Ntori ke tonyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale tshino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. Oh, the last episodes I was ugly.
That's you teddy bear.
You saying I'm fat, but indirectly, but thanks.
Nothing fat.
Teddy bears are fat and chubby and cute.
There are those who are very portable.
You're so annoying, gloves. This is a difficult job for me.
Why is it difficult?
I don't like breaking people up.
No, you're not letting people up.
I am.
Secrets and their friends.
Okay, I hear you. Hi, guys. Hey, how are you?
Hi, Johnny.
I'm good. Listen, I go around asking couples questions. Just a quiz.
Okay.
What's your favorite color? Does she cook for you? Where did you guys meet? Like, literally.
Oh, okay.
Would you be okay with that?
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Amazing. Chris, do you want us here? Where do you want us? Can you come this side for me? Guys, separate from me. Can I please be in between you guys? Please, girl. I'm not going to take your man. Okay, be on my left, girl. You can be here. Okay, name?
Stabile.
Stabile.
Yes.
And?
Sakile.
Sakile. How long have you been with Stabile?
6 months.
6 months?
Yeah.
Is it an official relationship or is it still a talking stage?
It's official, no?
Yeah,
Official.
Why are you asking her? Did he ask you out? Did he say, can you be my girlfriend, or it just happened?
just happened.
It just happened. You don't want to be asked.
No.
Do you watch Inimba?
No.
There's this woman named Tumegane, and she was with this guy for 20 years, right? And she bought a ring for herself. Then when the guy broke up with her, she's like, I didn't ask you to marry me. Do you understand? So it's very important for a man to ask.
Oh, I did, Mara. Obviously, one thing led to another.
But you didn't ask.
The connection. I didn't
connection.
ask like asking out, like just, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had some connection that was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we confirm, can you say it with your mouth that she's your girlfriend at least?
Yeah, she's my girlfriend. I love her, so I can say that.
Okay, amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, girl. You said you guys have been together for 6 months. Where did you meet him?
Sohlangana kwenye iphathi kanje. Sahlangana kwenye iphathi kamngani wami, so shuthi wayezilwa emenyeyo naye ke. Ngangikho nalaphana, then saqala ke sabona eye contact each other.
Hey! Hamba eye contact, okay?
Lethi sekuhlukwana ke ebusuku. Ngayithola senihamba naye.
You gave it up on the first day? Kelly!
Yeah, so exchange amanamba ke nasaqala lapho ukukhuluma ke.
Okay.
Ukuthi kuyenzakala ke vele.
So there was no waiting in this relationship?
Hayi phela ngicharm, it was love at first sight. Yeah, you can call it love at first sight.
Okay. No, I get it. It happens, and anyway, relationships don't have a formula, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, do you trust him?
Yeah, since siqala ukuthandana ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyamthemba.
Do you trust her?
Lo ngiyabheja ngempilo yami.
Okay, guys, let me get straight to the point, ne? What we do on the show is that we make couples switch phones. We're testing your loyalty. You guys basically go through each other's cell phones.
Okay.
Yeah. By cell phones, WhatsApp. Yes, child.
What's up?
What's up?
No, like ebethe uzosibuza imibuzo but sengiyam.
I lied. I'm sorry. Just trying to soften you guys up.
Okay.
Would you be okay with it?
Yeah.
Okay, would you be okay with it? Sakil?
Actually, my phone is private. anything, but it's private.
Your phone is private.
Yeah, she knows my phone is private.
Do not indulge in her private parts. You share those. Why can't you share your phone?
But it's different.
But the private part is deeper.
I think there's a reason they say a cell phone. It's not public phone.
Oh, it's a cell phone.
Yeah, it's for sale.
It's a cellular mobile. It's for self. So both of you have an issue with checking each other's phones. Both of you.
Mna nginayo unless unayo wena.
It's ngicheck yakho.
Ngihlela the cell phone uzohlala.
Oh, ilanda phela.
So both of you guys actually okay. So both of you guys don't want to check each other's phones. Are you scared that he's gonna find something on your phone, or are you scared that you're gonna find something in his?
Scared that I'm going to find something on his phone.
I know, girl. I know. I also get very scared to check a man's phone. What are you scared of? Are you scared that you're gonna find something in her phone, or are you scared that she's gonna find something in your phone?
No, Mina, there's nothing in my phone. I just don't, I don't like giving up my phone.
Okay. Would you guys be comfortable leaving here, ne? Without having checked each other's phone, knowing that you guys both resisted? Are you not gonna wonder why she didn't want to give you her phone? Is it not gonna bother you?
No, I want to check her phone now that there's,
Yeah,
Yeah.
resistance.
Yeah.
But if you check her phone, she also has to check yours. Sakile.
Yeah, man, I have nothing to hide though.
Okay, so she can also check yours.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Guys, let's switch. I think let's start with yours, ne? Usually I can tell who's cheating before everything happens, but today, password. Sakila, can we at least have your phone? Thank you. Don't have to open it now. Here, thumbs. Is it open?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, go to our WhatsApp.
Yeah, what's up?
Okay, type love you.
Love you.
That's you, Mosna.
Yeah, it's just me.
Okay, delete that.
Yeah.
Type miss you.
Miss you. Yeah, it's just me.
Okay, delete that. Type thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I think this is her brother. Was this Wakune?
Ubani?
Oh, yeah, this is her sister. Yeah.
Just come closer, hun.
Yeah, this is her sister.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's just me and her family.
Okay, delete that.
Yes.
Type bank.
Yeah, it's her mother. Me, mother.
Okay. You said you take care of your girl. Yes. Okay, delete. Delete that. Type outside.
Outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just me.
Okay.
It's me.
Delete. Type pregnant.
There's nothing.
Okay.
There's nothing.
Delete. Type, I don't think we typed babe.
Babe.
Yeah. Okay, that's you, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type morning after pill.
The morning after.
After pill.
Pure. Nothing.
Okay, girl, you clean. Yeah. You are clean. Okay. Congratulations. Your turn, sir.
So you wanna search all these words?
I have to. We have to be fair. Sakile. We have to be fair, Sakile. We have to be fair.
Vula ifone.
Sakile. Ulifoni.
How next, mom?
Okay, okay, cool.
Kodwa ukwazile ukuyithinta ngiseyami.
Kanti sihambe isikhathi.
Khohlwa isikhathi.
Okay, go to his WhatsApp, hun. Okay, type love you.
Imina. Dadwabo omncane lona. Yeah.
Okay, delete. Type miss you.
Imina. Umngane wakhe, imina umngane.
Okay, delete that. Type babe.
Okay. Thando imina. Mawakhe, but then uba uthando.
Go into the chat.
How
Sakhile sibona izinto
Uba uthando.
so confused. Don't be confused.
Uthando. She cousin yami uthando.
Who babe? You calling her babe?
Yeah, we sometimes call each other that.
Hey.
Le view ante ngibona lana eyani yona. Ukoko yani view.
What did she send you? Go into pictures, go into media. Hey.
Oh, Saki.
What is your cousin sending you? Super confused, Saki.
Sakile, okay. Angazi ukuthi ubanike lesi sithombeni, but then ku WhatsApp uthandona. Osayithombeni ubanike yena.
No, mayithombe nje uyabona ngithi.
What is Tando to you, Sakile?
No, she's just my cousin.
You want to call her?
There's no need.
Imuphi lo mzala wakho cause ngiyabazi abazali bakho. Usho muphi wena?
NaseNatal sekhona.
Aw, khona seNatal futhi. Bekhona wala igoli sokhona seNatal futhi. Which is kahle kahle.
WaseNatal.
Sakile percent yakhe I make sense.
Laba yenza sense.
Ayenzi sense. Uthe wena omzala bakho bangapha egoli. Sekhona seNatal futhi.
Yeah, I'm a distant cousin. Uvele.
Oh, nina nisenelana ithombo umbizana ngobaby. Ubaby kuwena uthando.
Hey, I want my umbizo.
Uyena vele kusenela ithombo. Amanyala sakhe.
Hey, I love it. Do you want to call Tando?
Ngiyafuna kuthando.
Oh, Tony Zenza, Sakile. Let me see, hun. I just want to see the number.
Sakile. Ngithandana nawe mina. Kukhona abantu ozokwazi ukwabiza ngobaby.
Cousin.
Kwazi. Angeke Sakile.
Ayizokwazi.
Hayi noma ngithiwa ngisidumo esijani ngeke.
Ayizokwazi.
Nokwenza.
And then pictures. Ask if you're speaking to Tando, ne?
Hello.
Hi.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi ngikhuluma noThando.
Sikhuluma naye.
Okay, uyamazi. Akubalekile ukuthi ukhuluma noba, kodwa ngicela ukubuza ukuthi uyamazi uSakhile?
Yeah, ngiyamazi.
Oh, okay. Umazi ngaliphi mhlawumbe uyini yakhe?
Usakhile umuntu wami.
Habe.
Ngenzakalayo.
For how long?
Mana ke ayini ukuthandana noSakhile?
It's been 1 year now.
Kwasho. Ngiyalenga ngiyabivinya ngisehlala.
Yo.
Hawu.
Ngenzakalayo Usakhile.
So Ustabile is your side chick? Sadana girlfriend, yeah?
Lex, ngicela ufike nje.
Wema.
Usakhile tu.
Ufike endlini. Yephi indlu Sakhile futhi?
Tando, we are with Ustabile, Abha, and what's his name again? Usakile has been dating Ustabile for 6 months.
Ngendlini.
Oh wow.
Uzomtshela uma ufika endlini.
So uyakuya endlini.
Wena. Yo, ngizodila nawe mawufika.
Hawama uyakwazi nanokudila nawe. Udila naye ngandlela yaphi ngayiphi indlela?
Hayi, khuleka girl, ngizodila naye ungazingeni ezami ngaSakhile.
Shuthi upapa yimina, isithothi mina Sakhile. Lo ndindelo ubanika yena.
Tando kalo. Polile Sakile, you don't have anything else to say.
Seda usakhe ulokhu njalo uthanda ufike eqala. Kodwa how come Sakhile ngikuthanda nokwenza? How come?
Ngisathi ngisazokutshela.
Usazongitshela Sakhile futhi ngabe waqala ukungitshela. Ungitshela ukuthi uyangithanda, ngikutshela nami ukuthi ngiyakuthanda futhi ngabe wangitshela ngalolo suku lelo. Ukuthi khona kanti sengisikorobo futhi lana.
Ngiyothi isikhathi ngempilisa kulo.
Tsana sendlini yakhe shuthi wena mosuka kumina.
Uzoya kuThando.
Uyakuthanda. Hawe.
Umkhwela Sakile, you don't have anything to say.
Ngayithela. Usakhula ungijwayela kabi wena kahle kahle. Ayikho into exosa Sakhile. Ungijwayela kabi. Ungijwayela kabi. Shuthi na niyefana nonke nje. Niyefana. Niyefana ekuthini?
My love, do you want to stay with him?
Umntwana selwenza.
Ulungisayini Sakhile. Ulungisayini kumina. Yinto elungisayo.
Ngixolisa.
Usungijwayela wena. Yithi into lenzalani?
Ngiyacela. Ay mana sisacabanisa.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Awukhona nami. Ungibambelana. Ekwenza ukubambe na yini? Niyefana. Niyisilesi kahle nje. Niyisilesi nonke.
My love, so uyahamba uzohlala noSakile. Ufuna uthini?
Sakhile bengimthanda sis kodwa le angeke ngikwazi. Ngeke sekukuningi.
Yeah.
Kona kufika manje kodwa I can't.
So it's done. You are done. Sakile, awuzomcenga umfazi wakho.
Ngabusesa. Engihlasa nawe ngiyibona.
Hayi ke.
Uqosa ukunuka.
Uthando umuntu.
Sakhile usungidakela wena.
Ha. Sakile khasishiye man bhuti man. Khasishiye man. Busiyaphi kha uhambe?
Asahambe manje usala.
Uhamba noba?
Do you need transport, lovey?
Uzosala lana manje.
Ngiyasala Sakhile, ngiyasala. Ngeke ngize ngimelane nododo wakho wena. Ngeke ngizokuthi khona right kunya kwakho wena. Sakhile ngikwenza umuntu. Yenza umuntu kanti sibabili futhi sikwenza umuntu.
Yamqoqosha.
Asahambe sokhuluma.
Ukhuluma noba ini?
Indaba zethu zingenwa abantu.
Hawu Sakhile udlalile ngami ngikuthanda mphema. Hawu
Khawuhambe Sakile wethu bhuti man.
sonke lesikhathi wena ungithembisisa nomhlaba ngithembisa amanga Sakhile.
Iqiniso lena ngisazokutshela.
Hawu Sakhile.
In 6 months you didn't have time to tell her.
Namanyaka.
6 months. Isenzoma nila nje nandimile ngihlala ngaphansi. Khawuhambe man.
Utshela ukuthi uyangifebela.
Hayo phuma sicabanisa.
Sakhile kahle impela ngiyambonga ke ngokufika kwakhe cabanga. Shuthi bengizoba isithutha ngibe uqoqa sonke lesikhathi mina. Ngiyambonga ngokufika kwakhe.
Good. Sisazokutshela.
Ayifuseki ke. Fuseki indaba yakho nje fuck off.
Sakile khawuhambe.
Asa.
Hamba.
Qotha man. Hambe.
Uyakunukela nje ngoba hamba.
Asahambe man.
Shaka ngafuna uhamba nawe mos. Love, do you need transport? Nganya you fine?
Ngiyayidinga.
Okay, we'll take you home.
Nalo petrol semotweni yakho ngiyayifuna imali yami leyo.
Ngothenga ipetrol.
Mina engenalutho. Ngimqoqile.
Uyiqoqoshela ntoni indoda wena Sithabile?
Njengoba bengisho wesisi ngiyamthanda lo mfana bengimthandi kahle. Kodwa nje
So umsuthana indoda ngemali Sithabile. I'll step aside, we want to close the show. I'll take you home. Step aside, love. Just move left and wear your shoes. You don't have a bag? Okay. All right, Zams. Do you have anything to say? Why don't you have anything to say?
Ngazi ukuthi ngempela ngoba every day is trying into every day.
Abantu abachitayo.
I'm free. What's wrong ngempela kwenzala?
I don't know.
With the relationship.
I think people are greedy. People are just greedy. They can't be with one person greedy.
Kukhona abanye masingabantu asifani right? Bakhona abanye abantu uthi umuntu mama approach umtshela ukuthi mfethu ngiyathanda right? But ukhona umuntu enginayo empilweni yami. Yabona? Lo muntu lo abo ukuthi uya understand. She's willing ukungena kulo situation.
Yes, this yeah.
Ungcono mfethu ukwenza kanjalo than ulanda ingane yabantu itshela ukuthi uyayithanda. Ngaleso sikhathi kunoMamthembu okhona, you've been with uMamthembu for 4 years.
Exactly.
Ingane yabantu ayazi lutho.
Exactly.
Mayingena ngenhliziyo yayo bese kwenzakala into ekanje.
Exactly, Dlamini.
Yabona? Abanye abantu bagcina bezibulala, aphuza amaphilisi, kwenza yonke lento ngenxa yomuntu wesilisa ongabanga neqiniso.
Exactly.
Yabo?
Exactly. Tell us the truth so that we can decide for ourselves. When you lie, you don't give us a chance to make an informed decision.
Exactly.
Do you understand? But anyway, Dlamini has spoken. That is it from us. Hi, Manuela. Intoni manje Dlamini kanje, come on.
Namhlanje yeah. uzowafaka nalezi zinto lezi.
Kwezinye episodes.
I'm not saying bombi kodwa akule yabo today.
It's just braids. It's just braids. Sim braiding.
Khona into ekhona. Intoni lenkulu.
Guys, my name is Lisa Sirave. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirave_. See you later.
Sanibonani dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami Ntombi Yaseqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale chino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes.